Okay, so all right. So now if you see, uh, just give me a moment. So if you see, everything was actually inside the metadata, right? So if you have to just write metadata, let's see what is actually going to happen. Okay, so it is giving me all the file. So from that I can easily get the file name, right? So what I'll do, it's a dictionary, so I'll just write file underscore name. So basically this is now going to give me all the file names whatever I extracted, right? And I want to also include the path of the file, so you'll understand it is reading from which directory. Okay, so let's see. Oh, sorry. So it's not a list actually. Okay, so I did a mistake here. So like this, like uh, okay, okay, okay. If you see, it is reading from the data. It is not reading from this, right? So what now? What you have to do? You have to actually uh, recursive. We have to include basically recursive, and we have to check uh, what exactly is going to do. So recursive, recursive. Okay, so let's see. Now I want to see whether it is able to read from this data one folder or not. Sorry, data inside folder or not. So let's see. Okay, yeah. So if you see, it is reading from the that folder as well, data inside. Okay, so now I want to see whether recursive is actually working in one level or multi-level. So let's see, inside that I will create another folder and let's make it data inside one. Okay, and inside that I'll be just going to create a file, sample inside .txt. Okay, a b c d. Let's see whether it is able to read from everything or not. It is, right? That is the testing. Suppose your client or company gives you a multi-level directory structure, so how are you gonna do it? So see, it is reading, right? Okay, so our objective is completed, one of the objectives. So our objective is actually directory reading multi-level directory. This is done, right? Now you have to do it only specific files, specific extension. Okay, let's say I want to read specific file from there. Just hold on, I'm getting a call. Okay, I just disconnected the call. So I just want to read the specific file. Let's say you just want to read only PDF extension. Okay, so how to do that? So this is very simple. We have to actually use a parameter, and after that you have to pass uh, something called a list. Okay, so it should be required ext required extension. Okay, like this, and there you have to pass .pdf. Okay, .pdf, and you see now it is only able to get the PDF files. Let's see. See, only PDF is coming right now. Suppose I want to actually read something from here, text. Okay, PDF and text. Let's see what is happening. Oh, so let's do it. Hmm. Oh, I did a mistake. It should not be here. Sorry. Oh man, it should be here, right? The extension. I placed in the wrong place. Okay. Okay, if you see here, it is only getting text and PDF, right? So this objective is also completed read specific extension. And now suppose I want to actually read only a specific file. Okay, so that is actually going to be super easy. On You have to just mention the file, that's it. So basically we have to, I just want to comment this line because this line will be required by all of you, right? So what I'll do, I will just copy here, and your client said that the file is actually any of the directory here, right? You don't know in which directory it will be, right? So what you have to do, first you have to uncomment this thing. You have to give the data recursive true, and I don't need this thing because my client already give me the file path, but sorry, the file file path actually given. So I don't I just don't want to use any extensions. What I do, I just write input files, input underscore files. Okay, so underscore files, and there what I have to do, I have to just pass this to file name. Let's say I'll be just going to pass one file name from here, right? Copy path, and first see whether I'm able to read it or not. Okay, let's see. It is giving me this error because in Windows you have to actually escape the slashes, so I just made it raw string. So now it will be working. So if you see, I'm getting this thing, right? And just want to check whether I'm really able to get the information or not. So for that, let me just print the document. So the content must come, right? It is not like that only the name is coming. Yeah, content is coming. Now what I'll do, I just want to exclude a file. This is like to input, right? Input this file. You can include multiple files as well, doesn't matter. It's a list. If you see here, it's a list, right? If you put a comma and you can place another file. So now what I'll do, I'll be just going to comment this line here. Okay, and now I want to actually exclude a specific file. Okay, that file I don't want to include. So what you have to do, I have to exclude a specific PDF file. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just write exclude CLUDE like this, and I have to uncomment this line here. Okay, so now I'll be just going to exclude one of the PDF file. So let me, I just want to exclude this PDF file. Okay, so and we'll see whether this PDF is coming or not. Okay, let's see. So it should give me all PDF, all text file, but that pslib1.pdf must not come. Okay, maybe your client doesn't want you to actually read some sensitive file they give you. So again, it is giving me this error. So it means I have to again use R. Okay, that's it. Okay, so it's giving me everything. You see, payslip 2, payslip 2, payslip 3, payslip 4, payslip 1 is not coming, right? Okay, so that's it. Whatever you are trying to achieve, that is completed, means all use cases. So I'll be just going to give you this file. Whenever required, you just comment or uncomment and use it. So let me reiterate this thing again. So directory reading we did, multi-level directory reading we did with the recursive equals to true. Then read specific file we did. Then we read specific extension, and just now I did the exclusion of the file. Okay. So I believe you guys are enjoying this tutorial as well. So in this tutorial, I haven't done anything on the AI related thing. This is a basic Python thing, but in the basic Python, I'm including llama-index feature. So if you are just doing something with Python and there you have to read from file or directory, you can easily use llama-index. You see, it's very easy and very fast. And one more thing is actually possible that is not possible in Windows, but still I want to actually make you guys aware of this thing. So here you can include another parameter that is called number of workers. okay, so something like this, number of workers. If you include number of workers equals to 1 2 3 4 5, what will happen? It will start multiprocessing, or maybe it will run multiple threads. Okay, and that is not achievable in Windows. That is only achievable in Linux or Mac OS related operating system. That is in the documentation. Okay, so if you go ahead and read the llama-index simple directory reader documentation, you will be able to see that that is a super amazing technique. Suppose you have millions of files, and if you want to read with simple directory reader, and your computer is actually having multi core computer, and then probably you can use a parameter additional number of workers, and there you can make it 10. So what will happen? The processing will be super fast, right? And if you are trying this sort of things from kind of a very highly like equipped resource driven system, those will be very important. So ultimate objective of any Gen AI related stuff is actually get the data, do some calculation, modeling, and after that generate or predict the result. The first or initial part is actually data. If you don't get the right data, you won't be able to predict the right answer, right? So for that thing, data engineering is very much important. So this is one of the thing which you can consider as a prerequisite for doing anything with llama-index, like whether it is a RAG, whether it's a standalone like predict question answer driven system. So this approach will help you to actually get the data from anywhere, right? So enough of talking, guys. I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. Before I conclude the video, again I'm requesting, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos with your family, friend, and if you like the video, if you are learning something, if you're thinking this is adding any value to your like Gen AI journey, please let us know by some sort of feedback in the comment box, and also that will help other people to find the video. And if you think something could be done in a better way or something is missing in the video, please let us know that as well. We'll try to actually include those things in our upcoming videos. Okay, so with that note, I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.